Hey, worms. No, kidding. Hey, y'all, what's up? It's Rita. Welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell in the description below, we are going to be doing a hair review today. The hair review is brought to you by or sponsored by the hair company 1989. Yes, 1989. So for everybody that is new, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Subscribe button is gonna be somewhere up in here. And if you are a rebel, you already know what I need you to do. Like, share, and comment, because if you don't comment, you don't like, I don't know you were here. Like, you could just say, oh, Rita, I saw the video. Like, I don't know you were here. I want to take your word for it, but, you know, I don't know. All right, so anyway, if you want to get my honest opinion and thoughts on this hair that I'm wearing now, provided by 1989, then definitely just keep on watching. Like, don't take your ass nowhere. All right, you guys. So, of course, this is my first time and my first experience with this hair company, 1989. Now, y'all already know that I am a brand ambassador for Queen Life Hair, and that is truly the only hair that I wear. But I am that type of person that, you know, I give other companies a chance. Like, I really want to know what else is out there. I want to give y'all options just like I want to have options. So, when she first contacted me, I was real skeptical. I was like, I don't know, you know, because everybody be claiming they got 1000% human hair. Like, it's 1000%, babe. I swear, sis. Like, and y'all know all human hair ain't good hair. I mean, let's just be honest. Like, even though everybody sell bundles and claim their hair is 100% human hair, you done got a batch of hair that done has some synthi up in it. You know what I'm saying? Some synthetic pieces. Like, let's just be honest. So I really had to think about it, you know, but after I talked to the owner for a little while, I really loved her vibe. She was like really warm, really welcoming. She let me know about her company, what she was trying to do. And it's like, you know, I'm going to get behind that. You know, I'm going to stand behind it. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay, cool. I try it. So she sent me the hair, and one thing that I can absolutely say about this company, hands down, is that it didn't take like 8 to 10 days for her to send the hair to me. Like, I literally think I got the hair within about 3 to 5 days. So her shipping, whatever she does, was super duper amazing. She also just continued to like check with me and make sure I got the hair. She let me know the day she was sending it. She sent me all the tracking info, which I know y'all probably like, well, everybody do that. No, like, she was on it. Like, I didn't have to contact her at all about what's the tracking number, when can I expect it. She told me exactly what she was sending, when I could expect it, and then she just checked back with me and make sure I liked it and make sure I got everything. So customer service to me is like so important. So hands down, I really appreciate the fact that her shipping was like amazing, stellar. So when I first got the hair and I opened it, now I was a little skeptical because the hair, it kind of looked small. It looked really condensed. And so I was like, okay, well, maybe, you know, usually when hair looks like that, y'all know off the rip, it's some thin ass hair. When we walk around with no thin ass hair. So I was like, I don't know. But so I pulled it out, you know, I cut the little bands off of it. And I actually wish I would have recorded this process for you guys. But honestly, just the whole process, not the hair itself, but the, you know, getting it installed, because this is a unit, getting it installed and everything, it was just such a freaking nightmare. Like, y'all, I don't even, Freddie and Jason ain't got nothing on the type of nightmare I had getting this hair installed. Anyway, but when I opened it up, the hair was very soft. I love the texture. The texture was really soft. You could tell that it was just really, you know, good quality hair just by touching it. And then, of course, you know, one of the things that we do is we open up the tracks to see, or the wefts to see, like, is the hair thin? Is it thick? And I was really hoping, you guys, Lord, please don't let this hair be thin, because I'm not finna wear no thin ass hair, okay? I'm just not fit to do it. I already have fine hair myself, so I don't want to be walking around here like, you know, just her, like, just stuck to my damn face because it's so thin, you know. So when I opened it up, oh my God, thank God the hair was not thin. It was actually pretty thick. The texture was really good. And then the bounce of the curl was amazing. Like, it had that snapback. You know, after you had your first baby and you got that snapback, but then you had your second baby and the snapback be like real, it had that snapback, y'all. Like, snapback game was on. So I was like super excited. I'm like, okay, sis, you might do got some quality hair, boo. Okay. So end all be all, I ended up getting the hair made into a unit. And like I said, that whole process, just, the stylist and everything, it was just big. That's all I'm gonna say. It was a nightmare. But because this was such good hair, I was really actually happy with the end results. Now I am wearing 3 bundles of the loose wave Brazilian hair. So I have 14, 16, and 18 in right now, and I was kind of skeptical about the lengths that she sent me, because usually I wear 18, excuse me, 18, 20, or 22, or 16, 18, 20, somewhere in that range. I haven't worn 14, 16, 18 in years. I think that's the lengths that I started wearing when I was first wearing weave, which was like years ago. And I actually wanted something like longer and more dramatic, so I kind of switched it up to like 16, 18, 20, 18, 20, 22, something like that, just so it gives me like that long, extra flowy and full look. So what I can tell you is that 3 bundles was seriously enough. Like, this is not that type of hair that, most people have to get like 4 bundles installed for the hair to be full. If you guys cannot tell, this hair is like, it's full. Like, this hair is definitely giving some body. I mean, just look at it. Like, it is definitely full, and that's 3 bundles. I do have a closure in. The closure is also 14 inches, but the closure was not provided by the hair company. So this is a closure that I actually just picked up at the beauty supply, because I'm trying to like keep my hair protected. Now, I didn't tell her that in the beginning when she sent me the hair, so that was definitely on me. It was not on her. But I do have a closure unit that was from the beauty supply, so the closure is not from her. But just all in all, the hair I think is amazing. When I look at the fullness of the hair, I really do love it, because, a lot of times when you get weave, like, you either have to do 4 bundles, maybe sometimes 5, and a closure, just depending on how thick and how dense you like your hair. The density in this hair, I can tell you, is probably about, I would say, maybe like between 120 to maybe like 180. So it is very, very dense. Like, if you want something full and something that's going to give you like a lot of body, this is definitely the hair for you. Another thing that I also love about this hair, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I can't keep my hands out of it. It is seriously soft, and the curls are like staying. Like, the curls have not went anywhere, which I absolutely, absolutely love. I did actually shower with this unit on a couple times, and it did get wet. As far as I know, it didn't do any damage to the hair. It got wet on the ends, but if you can see, like, it still curls really good. It's not dry. It's not all frizzy and stuff like some hair will do. So that also is very impressive to me, because like, ain't nobody trying to walk around with no damn frizzy hair, period. So that's one of the things that I liked as well. I am going to actually wash this hair and condition it, just to see if it truly does stand the test of time with water. Because like, what if I need to go to Miami and I'm trying to like get my Baywatch on? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to like get my Paula Anderson on. I need to know that this hair can withstand some damn water, okay? So I am going to wash it and condition it, and just see if it still has like this luster to it, still see if it maintains the body, the density. And one of the other things that I haven't done yet that I plan to do is actually put heat to this hair. I really don't want to do it, because initially I was not like a big fan of curls, but I do love this curl pattern. But I want to know how it holds up against heat. So I am going to like kind of straighten a couple pieces. I'm so scared to just straighten it because I want my curls. So, but I am going to just straighten a couple of pieces. Maybe just like the front section to see how it turns out. And then I'll re-wet it to see if it curls back up. But yeah, all in all, I do love this hair. Like, it did take me a while, because when you first get hair, it's soft, it's lustrous, it's full, but you really can't make a good judgment just first getting the hair. Like, you done had it in a week and you're like, oh bitch, this hair is the bomb. Like, no, child. wear it for a couple of weeks, wear it for a month, and then make a decision. Like, so no, don't just make a decision straight up off the first week. Like, it's supposed to look great off the first week. You just got it out the damn bag. That's like putting on some new shoes. Talking about, girl, yeah, these is bitch, you just got it out the bag. Give it some time, break it in. So another thing that y'all know I'm crazy. Another thing that I do love about this hair, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I have been continuously finger combing through this hair, probably through this whole damn video. And one of the good things is that this hair has very little tangling. Like, I have not experienced any tangling, which I think is pretty damn amazing, because y'all know her be tangling this shit. So I haven't really experienced any tangling with this hair. As I'm finger combing through the hair, I really am not having a lot of shedding. Like, I have experienced a little bit of shedding, but it is very, very minimal. But you have to expect shedding with any hair that you purchase. If somebody tell you the hair don't shed, I would definitely question the brand of hair. So yeah, that is pretty much how I am feeling about the hair. I actually think this is going to be really good. I think it's got a lot of life and longevity to it. So I'm going to try and switch it up and do a couple more things with it. And I'll just have to let you guys know how it acts, or how it reacts to the things that I do. So if you want to purchase this hair, I definitely have a hair coupon code. The code is Real Rita LYNN. You can go to her site and get this hair for not 10, not 20, 25% off. Don't be acting like that's not no small. That's a big deal. Like, y'all know weed be costing a lot of money, especially this human hair y'all be claiming y'all buying. So look, if you want to get that banging ass 25% discount, definitely use my code Real Rita LYNN. That's gonna help you out of life, okay? Y'all know y'all just got y'all taxes back, so don't be acting like y'all don't got the money. I'm trying to save y'all's coinage. So go ahead and go over to 1989. I'll drop you some bundles in your cart. Go ahead and put my name in the little code section. Get you 25% off. They also have wigs. They have closures. There's different types and textures of hair. And what else? Oh gosh. Yeah, I mean, like, it's bomb as fuck. Like, just go get you some hair. Like, don't be walking around with no scent in your head. Anyway, you guys. Oh, wait. That's what I'm telling y'all. They got colored hair too. Like, bitch, don't be trying to dye your hair bleach blonde when you know damn well you don't know what you're doing. Just go ahead and go over there. They dye the hair for you, okay? Like, get somebody to do it for real, so you be popping all summer long. Okay? So, anyway, that's my rant. That's my rave. Thanks so much. I love y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Always choose life.